The UNTEI 2-in-1 mini drone is a unique combination of a flying drone and racing car, offering the user the exciting opportunity to switch from ground to air at any moment. Constructed from high-quality ABS material, this mini drone is not only durable and reliable, but also safe for both indoor use and beginners, featuring propeller guards and an emergency stop function. The mini drone is equipped with numerous functions such as 3D flips and high-speed flight, enhanced by ultra-bright neon-colored LED lights for day or night, indoor or outdoor use. This drone is user-friendly, making it an enjoyable toy for kids with features like one-key taking off, landing, auto-hovering function, headless mode, and 3 speed modes catering to different skill levels. The UNTEI 2-in-1 mini drone, with its extended flight time of 17 to 20 minutes, makes a great gift for birthdays, Christmas, or holidays, providing endless fun for parties, school activities, fishing, hiking, and long journeys. The drone comes with 3 batteries, ensuring longer playtime and a low battery power alarm to prevent any loss or damage due to low power.